Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Honor of Kings and signing in. This ensures your progress syncs. Once loaded, tap your profile, then customization to reach the sticker or emblem section. This is where sticker assets live. Make sure you have the required currency, gems, vouchers, or event tokens, because purchases won't complete without them. If you need to free a slot, remove an old sticker now. Doing this first prevents interruptions and speeds the application process, so you can finish in one flow. You now choose the sticker you want. Browse categories or use filters to find seasonal, event, or custom designs quickly. Tap a sticker to preview it on your avatar or selected skin. This shows how it reads in-game. If the system allows edits, adjust size, rotation, and position. Use grid snapping or 1-degree increments for precision. Once placed, preview in different lighting or skins so contrast and readability are clear. Making these adjustments here saves you from redoing it mid-match. You finish by applying and confirming the sticker. Press apply or equip and wait for the confirmation animation so the change registers on the server. Once done, test it in a practice match or lobby to verify visibility and alignment under real conditions. If the sticker doesn't appear, first clear the game cache and restart the client, then re-login. If that fails, re-download sticker assets or check for server-side maintenance. That troubleshooting step fixes most sync and display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.